I'm David Kaetz, and if we're working with music students and they want to have a long, healthy career in music, then they need to know how their body works as well as how their instrument works. So it's about tuning the body for optimal, most efficient, most creative functioning. One of my classes is to improve their hearing and deepen their hearing, and the other one is doing with the musculoskeletal system and the way that their mind and their body work together. So these are two different offerings. So the one offering is to hear yourself better, to hear your colleagues better, to hear nature better, to listen with your whole body. And the other one is to use your shoulders and your jaw and your breathing and your thinking and your emotions better in practice or performance. If somebody says to me that they hear their own music with more joy and they've gone back to the reason that they became a musician in the first place, if they rediscover that, that's nice, that's gratifying. And if a problem that has been troubling them for years, like a shoulder or a hip or a back issue, if they see a path to resolution, that's nice. I'd like to be involved in that process, rather than just teaching music as it's taught, but teaching the mind-body music, the way the whole thing fits together. And my hope is that the Exhale has access to people who want to learn that way. I've had a number of teachers who've helped me to listen, to actually hear at a different level, to hear without thinking, to hear without choosing, to hear with my whole self. That had a huge impact on my whole musical career. And also to be able to play without concern for listening from the outside, but to listen from the inside. So this helped me relax on stage, so that on stage I concern myself with what's going on in me and I don't worry about the audience very much. I want to communicate with them from inside of me. Teaching musicians is the fulfillment of music for me, because I love the music that comes out of them and their joy in it, and also the way it improves after they've done some of these investigations. Yeah. Is curiosity an emotion? If they've got curiosity, that's a good qualification. If they are capable of joy, that would be a lovely way to leave, and satisfaction and excitement about what they can do with what they've learned. Yeah. And more curiosity. So if they come in with curiosity and they leave with more curiosity, that's a good result. Talk to you soon.